Hi guys, greetings, welcome back. So for today we have interesting toy over here, destined for the people that wants to cut their grass, and it's also for trees. It seems for the living fences, the green fences, you know. And let's go inside the box. So see, it has this head for the grass shear and this head for shrub shear, and it has a quick. What else we have on the box? So we have long-lasting sharpness, toolless blade change, soft grip, a battery of 1.5 amps and 7.2 volts. Blah, blah, blah. The length of the blades are 85 for the grass shear and 130 millimeters for the shrub shear. The charging time seems to be 2 hours. Come on, dude, get out. This. Okay, so we got the instructions in Romanian from the start. Okay. Some small tips how to mount it, how to change the blades. Okay. Also how to charge the device. Let's go inside. Okay, so we have a box with accessories, I think. We'll see in a couple of moments. The device itself. Okay. We have another manual in multiple languages: UK, Finland, Netherlands, Denmark, and things like that. This is not a good use for us. And the secondary blade, which is this one. Okay. Okay, it has 87 decibels, it seems, and it's looking like this. I think it needs to be oiled or something. Okay, let's see what we have in this small box. We have the charger in this small box. Okay, the output is of 9.2 volts. 900 milliamps. Okay, let's look on this one. It seems that the battery is here. We have one icon over here. The charging slot is here. Bam. Okay, not too much. Let's see the noise. This is the safety or something. Okay. Testing. Let's see how we change it. I guess on this button we press and just mug it out. And we put the other one.
A few moments later.
So maybe this doesn't want to get in. Not sure what is the reason, but I made it. Finally. Okay, let's see it. Yeah, as a power, it doesn't look so powerful, in my opinion. Yeah, so when you change this, the head inside, it's rotating in left and right, and you need to align it with this hole. Also on the other head as well. This is more easier to align it because it has a different shape. but this one, it's on vertical side, you know. Yep. So that's what you got to do, and we will jump straight into some tests with some gas.
Okay, so it's fully charged. Let's charge. Ooh, it's almost. Just take a look. It's trimming the grass like there is no tomorrow. I think it's a better angle from here. Ooh, so fun. Okay, let's try this trimmer on the grass and see what it comes. Yeah, this one is not really effective against grass. We need the other head. This one is more for branches, as they said.
Just in case that you had this question, of course. So that was all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Ciao.